Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mahir Hassan and in this video I will show you how to create a folder without a rename. Let's start. At first we need to go search menu then search character map. CA as a character map. Go the character map as a blind character. See, click here and then select, then copy, cross it and create a folder. Click the right button on the mouse, go to new, then folder, then control V, otherwise you can paste it, paste, then enter. Here is the folder without a name. And you can also change here the file. Know this, then go to custom, change icons. Here is a blind icon, then OK, apply. Here is the file. You can secret folder. Here is the folder. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you want to subscribe my channel, you can subscribe it. Thank you so much.